Abusia Andra SM Boss about TikTok live abusia. Oba be din komo. Edifa eye ne Godfather Kofi Boat. Na nsemu ho FBI for be den ebe fa no. Amanfo bi echire mu a eye scamming any bibia den ekoso. Na sansem ne eba ye no. Amanfo tag eye Shatta Wale into that situation no. Say because of say Shatta ebe can say ne Godfather any eye Kofi Boat. No na aboa na ama ono na die open no wanya awabrabom enti say FBI for tumi abechi eye Kofi Boat dia ene alleged ne die na Shatta ono nso eka ho enti endo a Shatta ebecheche nsemu na ofaya amanfo mo kasa asem ene eye GRA fo nso Shatta Wale afaya wo mo abusua strong warning ena Shatta Wale edi ama sankofo ni nyina abusua we ka yensa wo ha se ha eye GH Kobi Media so say ni die wo ba so a na wa subscribe to your channel no send update bia so etumu a onso onsa ebekam enti abusua ye ba Shatta Wale endo a oba TikTok live ni nyina efa eye Kofi Boat eye FBI for beden ababe fa no na amanfo bi echire mu a say the Shatta ne Godfather ne de ene allegedly o ka ho bi na ende Shatta oba be din komo abo firemen ebi akokwa me despite ne so ene GRA fo nso mpanifo ni na omo Ghana ne de obi age ne de mahama onu kompo agibi abusia endo a Shatta na wo hwe nsem a Shatta eka na otumi se na ni abre na we ho nso e de ahye ni mu ma abusia na amesa wo bre no ye ni kan enkotie de Shatta eka ye wi a ne otoaso bia na e den
asia if me whether flip money for table top if you say be fraud your mother asia where this guy there? I won't see the man who talk that thing. That man, the day I go GRA for the day. Asia, paying for elect minister. This one, so nonsense they do for this country. I won't get that guy. I'll come. King Swan G. Who be that guy? I won't make. If somebody know for the comments, I see the person name. See it jab Shatta Wale or something. Okay, Kings One TV, I see him. Thank you. Okay, this guy. Make people listen to this guy. Hey, Charlie, villager.
I'll just invite you to come and
big man, we no get sense.
on social media showing people, this is my Rolls Royce. Do you know how much a Rolls Royce costs? If I were working at GRA.
See poor man. They ask somebody, say, do you know how much a Rolls Royce costs? He be this man. What be name? Tell me, man. Johnny. We defeat the idea will be on Johnny. John. Johnny. Wife in crime himself with Jimmy. Johnny, wife on himself with Jimmy. With Jimmy. I said we will be as long as the Kebi. Who sell you to come and talk Shatta Wale matter? You be musician or you play beats or you do something for Shatta Wale. I be you Shatta movement. You be Shatta. Johnny. Wife try to say Johnny Nukwasia. We are boy kwasia. We are opening boo. We are opening kwasia. What me? You it be simple. You go tell GRA. Make GRA. I said GRA. If you get there, write paper. Say you okay. You are going to go for my Rolls Royce. I want make you a Ghana go competition. Bad man, me the work with God. Oh, God is here. I no be dirty people like the way most of you Ghanaians today. I go shock you, I go shock you. Your mother. Man for sick for this country for over 25 years. There I go to work for ground because that be how they norm the every musician after music you have to be poor. Who tell you? Say musician be poor? Who tell you people? Ghana for generations. If I talk then some days they want to talk. Recently, shout to Honorable Dr. His Excellency President Konimo. See what the man talk. You know, touch many of you your hearts because oh no, why for call Shatta Wale and why Konimo for call Shatta Wale? Shatta dear on this one. No, Konimo sees that I am fighting for the music industry to be better and not for myself alone, but for the generation and generations to come. Wasiya, Johnny, somebody joining. They can't they say, if I want to explain, who tells you they explain something? You think I get time to come explain for you? The nonsense people they do as they catch Kofi boat, where everybody they tag, then they put my picture. FBI check Shatta Wale. Charlie, how many years people go to do this? Since I can't rent for East Legon, if I buy a car, if I buy a car, Sakawa, you people know this is how they play shows. But mommy, I play shows past your artists up for this countryside. Any four corners of Ghana have been there. You have not been anywhere in Ghana. Don't even fuck yourself up because I will fuck you up because your mother fuck you. That be I go fuck you up. What nonsense with this? What nonsense with this? If your stars that you have from generations don't have the mindset I have, don't come and fight me. I'll fight you. If you come and fight me, I'll fight you and I'll win. Make the whole Ghana. If like me, the whole Ghana, make they go do ballots for my Rolls Royce. Hey, Batman, move Ghana. Move Ghana. And this thing they talk. If GRA say one tribe, I want the president of Ghana make it sign too. The president of Ghana, you go sign for my Rolls Royce. The president of Ghana must sign. Say if they check and they see say my money be clean, where it be music money, they go pay me $1 billion. I don't have time to waste time and go court and those kind of things. So me, I don't have time. I got plenty judges where if people take go court, the judges they did a call they say, "Na nkwasi asem kwa be na asem we odi sataba na here there." Because the person come and the judges and lawyers of Ghana they see those things. Plenty of the judges did my fans, plenty of them they did it. They see we stupid matter be this. Somebody buying car. Shatta Wale we know from bandana. People where they know me from doggy come bandana. They know my hustle. You think I can buy a Rolls Royce? You think I can afford a Lamborghini? But my just say we no laugh like that time. Mind they get money, man they set up himself. It's about time to buy cars. I've played shows too much and I've saved money to buy houses. Now it's about time for me to relax and chill. That's why you're seeing the pictures, everything. The house they from them. My father no ever talk $1 million for them a face for. That boy as Sharaf self come with he come do this thing. Plenty people the father bad man. The father build in future. So if your father can't chop president, you see any nonsense thing where he begins go do. You know because work in father work. They see in father from when they went for ministries and whatever and come chop vice president. Before can't chop president. They see. So when Sharaf they do this thing, so that we say like, actually we say we get father like that because Charlie the guy but he be show the thing for day. He will show it for day. So if you blame Sharaf, you say your mother. Because who mami no papa, or man Bobra, say who mami Bobranka go, who papa a minister for God affairs, who trim, kasa mami no papa Bobranka, and kasa who mami a minister of Inkasi affairs, a boa, and come mami or take Gobe home, now you find an area minister for Gobe people, a boa, where Jimmy Papa was say, Mutemu was sempe before Jimmy mo continue. Say oh big man, I say he get kiddy. Wait, can they? Oh, Shatta Wale, he doesn't have to. GRA has to go. GRA has to call on your court. Oh, Papa Toto, your mommy Toto. Unya egbe, unya iso, unya unya what's here? GRA for call time what's here? Go ask EcoBank. I dey give people. Go EcoBank. Go EcoBank. If you want to check out about the rules, go EcoBank. What's here? A boy. The time banana they suffer when why GRA no come chase me? A boy. That time why they play show a boy. People did if you say go fi raise some things and things. Then they catch somebody there, play everybody and go and arrest Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale, hey, if this are the fraud boy. You see the way Shatta come here? Young kick boy. White men and white men. Before white man go enter this country, he scam everybody. Before white man go enter this country, he scam everybody. Because you blacks, you know they think. You they watch appearance and they take judge. Because see a boy.
After say Shatta ebo parliament area ye no e no to aso a onos emeki eye nation address a wode ma eye Donald Trump America president say nkrofo bi e wa America wa say Donald Trump report omo ye den eba Ghana na yentie de a Shatta e man eye nation address no
employment myself in my own way. That's why I have a Shatta movement empire. My Shatta movement empire, we support each other like a Freemason empire or like a Freemason society. I beg of you, whatever decision you have taken about Ghana, I don't know about other African countries, but you see Ghana, you have to ban them. Most of them, they use student visas as an option to get visa to come to America. Then they'll come and be doing baller work. Baller work means they'll come and be cleaning. They'll come and be doing some job. They are the people that is causing you the havoc in America. Ghanaians, they are not even needed in America. Ghanaians. Those ones that are there, you can leave them there. Those ones that are there, they have sense. They are useless. But don't give anybody visa again from Ghana. American embassy. Most of the artists that you see that come to the embassy, or they come there and come and collect papers for people. And they come and do, this is my singer, this is my dance man, this is my, all of them, they have been doing connection to come and take visa for people and go to America. So please, sometimes that's why I'm always careful with, because I can't even travel with a band, because most of them, I know they have spots the embassy there. When they come and they take the pool, they don't bring them come back. They don't come back. So please, Donald Trump, your decision, I want you to even invite me to the White House. I want to tell you why Africa is like this. Because Donald Trump, I know your mindset is you are sitting down and you're watching, but Ghana has gold, Ghana has timber, they have cocoa, they have everything. Why are they traveling out of the country? Yes, Donald Trump, our president, well, after they do their campaign and they finish, you see their ministers, they buy cars, they buy houses, they chase small. That is the dream of being a minister. So you see most of them, they don't even work for the people. So that's why people are running away from Ghana. Donald Trump, that's why people are running. If you have chance, Donald Trump, just come to Ghana. Don't even come and visit me. Come and visit me. I want to have a one-on-one. I will tell you how Ghanaians, you forget other African countries. Ghana. Donald Trump, Ghanaians, they are not needed. They like people's downfall. A Ghana man can come to America, Donald Trump, and always looking for somebody to fall down. So I beg you, Donald Trump, invite me. Let me come. I want to come and tell you. The reason why, Donald Trump, the reason why people are even so much into scam is that they have not created jobs in Africa. Most of the leaders, they come and take their money. We are seeing it on the internet. $863 million have been allocated to this one, and $400 million have been, all those ones you've been hearing it too, but we don't see it. They don't use to create anything. They used to buy houses for themselves, cars for themselves, live a lavish life. Donald Trump, in fact, apart from the president has been trying, by his ministers, the big men, the people in the office, in their air conditions, they live lavish lives like they are celebrities. That is their dream. I'm telling you, Donald Trump. It's a fact. And I'll say it everywhere I stand. So I'm telling you, we are in a stupid country. How they go for arrest somebody? If you don't catch you before, if matter no catch you before, then you see somebody matter there and they laugh. That boy every day for Ghana, God they show you example, but we are stupid people, you just don't want to learn. I go count instances of things where it happened to people from Efia Schwarzenegger in husband, then naked video come out, people they insult them, then things come, then some things come, then a few members say 1 minute, mama, and to wadao. If you know what happened to you before sleep. Because your own way they come for the see this young boy where he taking girl, just go village, go pick my girl from a bar, he kill girl. Bad man, you see this life, if you think say you be bad mind go get you. If you think say you be bad mind, some people they don't be bad mind, but bad things they feel rich to them. Mama, this world nobody be perfect too. So stop doubting people and watching some people and think that this world they are like this, because you are being stupid. It's nonsense, it's stupidness. And they watch people like the media, like they happy, say they catch Kofi. So FBI check. You think FBI doesn't know who I am? You think American embassy doesn't know who I am? You think British embassy doesn't know who I am? I am a hard-working guy, just like any other artist that says they're working fine. But I mean, my chances are different. You call me for a show, you can pay $200,000, $300,000, I'll come. If I will choose to come, it means then I have chosen to come. So maybe I'll take you maybe your 500,000 Ghana cedi or 400,000 Ghana cedi. Apart from that, forget. This trip, I go perform on Legon campus. I say, if you are the shout straight, you are my legend, man. I respect you so much. Sammy, first time I tell Sammy, these be students. The students, I know they charge students like that. Sometimes I feel this. Me, I just want to even go perform for students for free. Because I don't even want them to stress to pay me. Because students are in school, they are not supposed to be charged or overcharged. But when it's business for me. Because when it's business for me. People did if you make some stupid program, they lie, you say Shatta Wale is a fraudster. You are very stupid. Hey, anybody you have that thing for in mind, it be the most stupid person in Ghana. And majority of you are stupid like that, because when you go and sit on your TVs and radios, so nonsense is always some guy they like JB the Mogo or something. JB the Mogo. You feel if you I say right now you are see where it has been your dream to sit on Peace FM. Because the thing they do, they find as you go there, how much they give you? The matter you go talk, how much they give you? Say medical. As medical join me now. Where medical starts for. If you say medical be smoky there, JB go go medical go fit pay you. It go fit watch your whole family, your entire generation. Don't be a stupid soul. Don't be foolish. You dey talk like somebody with day Yankee small. So I feel say maybe you get sense. But you see what you go do for Peace FM. Come and apologize to medical because that was very stupid. You did your TV. You see, Ghana, let me tell you something. All those small radio on those things that they do and shit like that, they post themselves like they be like they might like be good. Like they know how to advise. Bro, if you want to advise Shatta Wale, make $1 million, then we can sit there and talk. Your mother. JB the Mogo. As you say, they post my sexy things and at least you have focus. Peace FM call you. Did they ask you about medical in matter? Where Shatta Wale in name camp or inside? Are you that dumb? Are you that stupid? Or you wanted to say it so that somebody will say, okay, as you go there, he won't say, or you wanted to say it to impress the owners of the company or what? The owners of the company, they are blast them and say themselves, they don't even get idea of what are they trying to talk. So I leave them because Charlie Ghana, Ghana, it be village. It be village. You go sit on radio and they ask you about medical and matter. It was my matter you were talking about. Most of you don't know who Kofi Boat is. So as this problem come, oh yeah, it is scam. No problem. God will judge all of us on this earth. Kofi Boat, you put they call him scammer. Kofi Boat. Hey God, sometimes you put us into difficult situations that we can't even explain to mankind. But I know that you are there to make people know that Kofi Boat is not a scammer. Oh God, hey Kofi Boat, hey Kofi, hey, hey, Joyce, I make sorry, I make sorry. I feel bad, Charlie. If you say of Kofi, I know if you sleep, Charlie, man. Joyce, I make sorry. Like I'm so sorry. Like I do watch my siblings right now. Like I do watch them. Like I do picture Kofi Boat in kiddies right now. I know they fit. They call Kofi Boat scammer. Who tell you? It's just business where you go wrong. Kofi Boat, you go sit computer and stop the browse. What do you mean? But it's the world. That is where the world is. When you don't take care, you go do just one wrong business. You just go do one wrong business. That's why I'm careful. That's why I don't move with friends anymore. That's why I don't want to do friends. Boys come house. No. Most of you there, if you say maybe this is my home man, I get them boys. No, I ask my friends. Everybody there in corner. Oh, go meet. And something when it's important is important. No.
Abusia, we say the air so our this side. Must say need you obe subscribe to your channel. Send update bi anso etomu on so on sa ebe kabi. Kete wo se enye dodo nwunwa makra. Bye bye.